How to use your Temu credit or wallet balance. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you use your Temu credit or wallet balance. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Temu app with your account. After you open Temu, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, you have to confirm that you have the minimum credit or wallet balance. For that, simply tap on you at the bottom. From the section, you'll be able to view your credit balance, or you can as usual check your coupons and offer. After you confirm it from here, tap on the cart option at the bottom right. From the cart section, tap on the option checkout at the bottom right. From here, confirm by providing all of your details: first name, last name, your address, your phone number. After that, simply check this and tap on save. After that, while you are making a payment method, you can simply get the options level for use demo credit or wallet balance. Simply you'll have to just tap on that and toggle it on, and from there your credit will be directly deducted from the total checkout amount. You can still apply a coupon at the top of that. Temu lets you stack coupons plus credit card as long as both are eligible, and that's it. Temu credits are applied automatically at the checkout, so you can maximize your savings without any hassle. If you found this helpful, follow for more e-commerce and app tips. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.